Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart as we already know that, and we'll be looking at the daily trend, the levels, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin. So we were talking about this thing that now the price is actually trading at this support level. You can look at this level, which is at 20,000. The price is just hovering around this level, so we can easily take up this level because it doesn't look like, you can see a good fall from here, so that is not a probability looking at the price action. So what we can see, we might able to see little bit upside momentum from here, and at least we can see that the price is just stabilizing at this level, so that is also a good thing. And we can take the resistance at 22,600. So this is the level, the same level, because the price is in a consolidation area. The moment price comes to 20,000, again we will see the upside momentum to 22,600, and then we will again see a fall. So this is what is happening with the Bitcoin in the recent few times. So again, all the indicators, everything is now telling me that the price might able to go a little bit upside momentum. So this is what we can expect for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum is almost showing the same momentum. It's also trading at the support level, but one interesting thing which I am repeatedly telling you or mentioning you in the videos, that the price is still holding up this 100 EMA level, which is a plus point, which is a good point. So in fact, if you look at yesterday's momentum, the price was down by 10%. That was due to happen because we have seen a fall in the Bitcoin, but that wasn't there in the Ethereum. So yesterday, even if you have seen yesterday's video, so we spoke this thing in the video that we might able to see that the price will come back to the support level, and that exactly happened yesterday. Now plus point, good point is that we are getting still a close above, or at least at the level of the 100 EMA, which is a plus point. And that's the reason today not much momentum, at least not much momentum to the downside is there. So the price is still holding up. So what we can expect from now, because the price is having at the resistance level of 1510, we can expect a little bit upside momentum, and in that case we can take the resistance at 1725. So this is the resistance that we can take, and I think from here we will see a little bit upside momentum in the Ethereum. So this is what we can expect in the Ethereum. So now if you are liking it, if you are thinking that this video is useful to you, you are getting the right levels, you are getting right knowledge, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, click on the notification bell icon. I'll meet you on Monday, and happy weekend. This is all from my side today.